Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Class 8. Now here I am discussing some questions on the circulatory system, right? As here you have the objectives here first. In human blood, hemoglobin is found in platelets, WBCs, RBCs, plasma. Where it is present? RBCs. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, glucose-rich blood, carbon dioxide. The correct option is oxygenated blood. Function of platelets is to transport oxygen, provide immunity, help in the clotting of blood, provide storage of blood. The correct option is help in clotting of blood, right? The blood is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin, ammonium nitrate, presence of chlorophyll, sodium nitrate. It is only due to the hemoglobin. Blood vessels that carry pure and oxygenated blood, they are called capillaries, veins, arteries, nephron. Of course, it is arteries. Stethoscope measures pulse rate, blood pressure, heart rate, brain activity. It measures your blood pressure. Measuring the pulse rate, it is the stethoscope. It measures your blood pressure, right? Nucleus is absent in RBCs. WBCs, all blood cells, liver cells. It is absent only in RBC. The only artery which carries deoxygenated blood, that is the pulmonary artery. Now here more questions, you have the objectives here. Which of the following blood cells are without nuclei with the RBCs? Blood cells which protect the body from diseases, they are the leukocytes. And which of the following blood cells are responsible for clotting of blood? That is the thrombocytes, or you can say blood platelets. Next, which blood group is known as the universal recipient? AB, ABO. Universal recipient is AB. Finest of all blood vessels, veins, arteries, aorta, capillary. The correct option is capillary. The vein which brings deoxygenated blood from the posterior part of the body, pulmonary vein, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, none of these, that is inferior vena cava. The only artery which carries deoxygenated blood, it is the aorta, pulmonary artery, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. The correct one is pulmonary artery. The main artery which emerges from the left ventricle of the heart, pulmonary artery, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, aorta, it is aorta. The color of the blood cells is due to hemoglobin, carboxyhemoglobin, carbaminohemoglobin, none of this. It is hemoglobin. Blood group A has antigen A and antibody B, antigen B and antibody B, antigen A and antibody A, antigen O and antibody B. The correct option is antigen A and antibody B. Fill in the blanks. Dash are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. Of course, it is arteries. The heartbeat at an average is 72 times per minute. Pulmonary artery carries blood from right ventricle to the lungs. Oxygenated blood is found in the right side of the heart. The largest artery in the body is aorta. The stretching and relaxation of arteries with each heartbeat felt as a throbbing, it is called pulse. Erythrocytes, the RBCs, red blood cells, they are known as erythrocytes. The transfer of blood from one person to another is called blood transfusion. Pulse, the stretching and relaxation of arteries which each heartbeat felt as the throbbing, it is called the pulse. RH factor, it is the special protein present on the surface of the RBCs. If they are present over there, the blood is said to be RH positive. If they are absent, the factor is said to be RH negative. It is known as RH factor because it was first observed in rhesus monkey. Right? Cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle is the cycle. It is the relaxation phase of the heart is called diastole and the contraction phase of the heart is called systole. Both these phases occur in a rhythmic manner, one after another and together. That is known as cardiac cycle, right? Deoxygenated blood which carries carbon dioxide, that is the deoxygenated blood. Blood pressure, if you ask the blood pressure, It is the pressure exerted by the blood so that it can flow properly on the arteries. Heartbeat, the continuous throbbing, the heartbeat is there. Is there. Here I have made the videos on the circulatory system, each and every topic. Go through my channel and there you will get the all the topics wise. All the description was there in the channel. Topic wise, structure of heart, RBCs, WBCs, blood pressure, and every topic I have covered over there. You can go and see it. Here I am discussing the objectives basically over here, right? State if the following statements are true and false. Hemoglobin combined with oxygen to form carboxyhemoglobin, false. Hemoglobin combined with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. Leukocytes are larger than erythrocytes and contain hemoglobin, false. Leukocytes are larger but they do not contain hemoglobin. Veins connect arteries and capillaries, no. Capillaries connect arteries and veins. The heart is enclosed by a single membrane called pericardium. Yes, it is enclosed by the membrane, double membrane pericardium. Deoxygenated blood is received by the right auricle. Yes, deoxygenated blood is received by the right auricle. Now for these questions, you can go through my videos. There you are able to get it. Isn't it? Now here again you see the fill in the blanks questions are there some over here. The carbon dioxide loaded blood. The carbon dioxide loaded blood from the right ventricle is pumped into the lungs through pulmonary artery. Blood loaded with carbon dioxide from the body comes into the right auricle of the heart. The oxygen-rich blood from the lungs comes to the left auricle of the heart. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped into different parts of the body through aorta, right? The liquid part of the coagulated blood is known as serum. Instrument used to find out the blood pressure, that is the stethoscope. The two lower chambers of the heart are called ventricle. Blood plasma contains dissolved substance called nutrients and minerals. Salt. Name the main artery takes blood to the different parts of the body. It is aorta. Why are WBC called as soldiers? Because they protect the body from the infection. And it is the artery and vein. You know, arteries carries blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Veins carry blood from the different parts of the bodies back to the heart. Artery, the lumen is narrow. Veins, the lumen is broad. Arteries, they do not have wall. In veins, walls are present. What is the rate of heartbeat in a normal human adult person? That is 72. Why is the color of the blood is red? Due to the presence of hemoglobin. Three kind of blood vessels, that are arteries, veins and capillaries. State the difference of white blood cells and the red blood cells. As you know already, WBC, they are known as leukocytes. RBCs, they are known as erythrocytes. WBCs, they fight against the infection, where RBCs, they help in carrying oxygen from lungs to the different parts of the bodies. Systole, contraction phase of the heart is called systole, and the relaxation phase of the heart is called diastole. And to see the more details on the circulatory system, children, please go through my videos of the circulatory system of class 8 that I have already put it earlier. You can go and get your. If still you had any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Most welcome.